Hello, this is the video before repairing. Here's your serial number of the drone. And this is the aircraft previously mentioned in the last video. We have the two problems with this aircraft. The first one is the measurement of the liquid in the spray tank, and the second one is the problem with the vinculation of the remote controller with the aircraft. For first step tests, we changed the avionics. This is the old one. This is our testing avionics. We change and we can see we'll have problems of vinculation.
Personas u obstáculos
As
detectados.
you can see in the remote controller present
Apliquen
the
todos los seguros de
green
los
light.
brazos para evitar posibles riesgos
But
de
the
seguridad.
problem with the measurement of the liquid level is continuously. We previously, before the changing of the avionics, we changed the spraying module, and this is a new liquid level meter module, but it presents the same problem. Now we're going to test changing again the spraying module and the liquid level signal cable. Maybe the avionics, the old avionics, is provoke a little damage with the other models of the cable distribution.